Hello, this is Charlene. We are going to determine if these two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither given their equations. Our first equation is y equals 6. Our second equation is x equals -1. So the first thing we kind of want to notice is that they are not in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, because they don't contain all the parts that we normally are able to look at. We're able to look at the m location to identify the slope, the b, y-intercept, but these are not in that format. So therefore, we're not going to be able to look directly at the equations and determine if they have the same slope. Same thing for negative reciprocal. Negative reciprocal is still tied to that slope number, and we're not able to see the slope number clearly in these two equations. So we're not going to use that either. So what we are going to do is we are going to graph this. So I'm going to grab my little coordinate grid over here, and we are going to just do a quick graph. We don't have to do a really exact sketch, but we can do a simple one. So y equals 6 means that it touches the y-axis. So it's going to touch the y-axis, let's say at 6. So I can insert a line that crosses the y-axis at that point. And that line happens to be a horizontal line. So we can mark that as a horizontal line, H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. Okay, and then so that's my y line. Now my x line means it's going to cross the x-axis. So here's the x-axis, and it is crossing the x-axis at -1. So I'm going to go find -1 on the x-axis. Let's say it's right there. So now I'm going to insert a line at the x-axis at that point right there. Let's see here. Can we make that fit? Oh, I'm going to scoot that over a little bit. Make it a little bit. There it is. Okay, so if we look at these two lines, we can see that these two lines are actually intersecting each other. They are intersecting each other at this intersection, and it is a right angle. It's a 90-degree angle, a right angle, and any two lines that intersect each other at a 90-degree angle or a right angle, that qualifies them as perpendicular. This line is horizontal. This line right here is the vertical line. So anytime a vertical line and a horizontal line intersect, they will be intersecting at a right angle, a 90-degree angle, and that is what makes them perpendicular. So these two lines are perpendicular. Hopefully that helps you think about this and know how to go through this process when you have lines that have equations that look like this. Okay, have a good day. Come back real soon. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button.